The Assault Breacher Vehicle ABV is a tracked, armored engineering vehicle specifically designed to meet the United States Marine Corps requirement for conducting in-stride breaching of minefields and complex obstacles. The vehicle can create a safe lane for friendly vehicles to travel on and can physically break through defenses for attacking forces. It provides crew protection and vehicle survivability while having the speed and mobility to keep pace with the tanks. With the cancellation of the U.S. Army's M1 Grizzly program in 2001, the service still sought breaching vehicle solution, and this arrived in 2008 in the form of the Assault Breacher vehicle, which, like the M1 Grizzly before it, was built atop the existing chassis and running gear of the M1 Abrams main battle tank. To reduce costs and construction time, the ABV uses many components from the Abrams, including the entire power pack and suspension, the same communication system and the deep fording capability. The turret of the M1A1 Abrams MBT has been removed and replaced by a new all-welded steel structure to which has been added the latest explosive reactive armor package. This provides a higher level of protection against anti-tank weapons fitted with a high-explosive anti-tank warhead. The vehicle is operated by just two personnel, the commander and the driver. The driver's position is typical of the Abrams, being front and center of the hull. The commander's position is located at the front and center in the superstructure under an armored vision cupola. For local defense, it is armed with a 50 caliber heavy machine gun and a bank of standard electrically operated grenade launchers, one fitted on either side of the superstructure to cover the frontal arc. Major components of the ABV included a full-width mine plow at the front, two linear demolition charge systems located at the back of the turret, a lane marking system mounted on the engine deck behind the superstructure, a remote control system, and high-lift adapter which is modular in nature, allowing integration of combat dozer blade or mine plow. There is one lane marking system on each flank of the vehicle. It uses an electro-pneumatic dispensing system that fires darts into the ground at controlled intervals of time or distance. 50 darts are held in the dispensers, with each dart being 1 meter long. The darts have high visibility flags attached to the end, but these can be replaced with fluorescent, reflective, or LED-enhanced poles. The most powerful pieces of mine-clearing equipment on the ABV are its two line charge launchers. The model used is the M58 mine-clearing line charge, in short MICLEC. The plow at the front is 4.5 meters wide and is usually brought into operation after the deployment and detonation of the line charge. Full width means that the plow spans and clears a path the width of the host vehicle. The plow is attached to the front of the host and is pushed along in a raking action. It is operated by the driver via a multi-purpose control unit in his position. There are a number of CCTV cameras on the turret of ABV, which allows the commander to safely view forward progress of plowing operations while remaining safely buttoned up in his position. There are around 4 cameras in total. One is placed in a ball mounting at the front of the superstructure, just in front of the commander's position. This provides 360-degree vision in daylight and at night with infrared. The vehicle retains much of the form and function of the Abrams combat tank. It utilizes the Honeywell 1500 horsepower gas turbine engine of the Abrams and features the same rear-mounted drive sprocket, front-mounted track idler and 7 double-tired road wheels to a hull side. The ABV is unique in its role. It greatly reduces the clearing time from hours to minutes. This allows assets in the rear to advance forward faster to provide additional support or aid as needed. Further, U.S. Army plan to integrate unmanned aircraft systems on these heavy engineering vehicles. These drones will improve situational awareness. It is also unknown what upgrades and equipment may come in the future. At the moment, it remains one of the most advanced vehicles of its kind in the world.